In a tiny home where the soft lights glow lives Eddie the cat, the star of the show.
Good morning guys, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't been here before, welcome. I'm Anne. This is Eddie. He's right down here though. Eddie, come and say hello. You want to say hello to your fans, Eddie? Yeah? No? Today is a very exciting day. This morning, the builder is coming to finally install the window where the hole is in the wall. When I first moved in here, I pulled the old box aircon out. Might have been like 8 months ago. I'm not sure, 9 months even. And because I put in a new, split system, it's left a hole in the wall. It took a couple of months for the body corporate to approve the window. And then it's taken this long, over half a year, to finally get the window. But that's life, I guess. Delays and bad luck always happens, and it happened to the window. But better late than never, because it's going in today and it's so damn exciting. Take one last good look at this hole in the window that I patched up with draw liner and 2 types of painter's tape. I will never miss looking at this again. Look at it. But the builder's going to be here in a minute. What I need to do is pull that fridge out for him so he's got easier access, saves him climbing up there and leaning over to do the job. And I'm going to put the fridge back in this corner where it originally was. For now, I've just temporarily put Eddie's stuff there. Before I move the fridge, let me say this first. He's also going to frame out this bathroom window for me and help me to silicone down this basin because it still moves at the moment. This builder is so cool. I told him to add to the quote of that window for these 2 small jobs as well. And he just whacked an extra $50 on. I would have paid a mate $50 to frame out that window and silicone that down for me. So anyway, let's move this fridge before he gets here. The fridge is now back in its old spot. Man, that looks funny. I almost forgot what it used to look like. It's always interesting to see what's behind a fridge when you finally move it. I mean, I don't even know when that tape fell down, but I guess now I just got to clean that area up and remove the plastic drawer liner that I have on the window. Oh, look at that. I guess I should probably turn the aircon off, hey? Man, this tape really stuck to the aircon. Now it's leaving more of a mess. Ta-da! I'm so excited. I can't wait. I mean, I hope he's still coming. I can't stop thinking about that now. They said between 8 and 8:30. It is now 8:21 and I feel really fidgety. What do you think, Eddie? Are you just as excited too? Yeah, of course you are, Eddie. Chris arrived here before Russell, guys. He's got the window. You know, I don't even know what it looks like. Okay, so yeah, I was just wondering how it opened, but easy. It doesn't come with a little fly screen thingy?
Oh, I'm not too sure. You'll have to ask Russell.
All right. Yeah. That's okay. I can work it out.
Oh.
Doesn't fit. Don't know if you guys remember Chris, but he was the one that did the termite frames, you know, put the new frames in the bathroom. I actually didn't know he was coming to help today, so that was a cool surprise because every one of Russell's teams are just awesome people. So the window is slightly larger than the hole, but Chris is still going to fix it and fit it. So what are you going to do? Just cut some of the frame out?
Nah, just cut some of this out. I'm going to fit it old school, so it means we fit the window to the actual outside and then nail it from that way.
Okay.
And then we put the jams on last and seal all around it.
Oh, okay, cool. Whatever works, whatever gets the window in today. It's been a long wait. I've been so excited. When it was like 8:30, I was thinking, do I call them? Are they still coming? Did they forget about
They
me?
wouldn't let me in on the street. They're closed the road.
Oh, really? Why?
The police wouldn't let me in. I had to say that I was working here.
Oh, I see. So it's set in there. Oh, that means I can put the blind inside
There's
it.
still a jam to go on here so you can put it behind you.
Yeah, I was wondering how I was going to do it. Now, that's cool. So the jams that came with the window, is that what you're going to put in there? Okay.
It's a lot of problem solving.
Yes, that's what I noticed about renovating. That's what I like about it though. It's fun.
Got to think outside the box.
Yes, forced to use your brain every now and then.
Yeah.
Eddie, you're looking so unimpressed. You should be excited. You just want to go outside. You can go outside later, I promise. Do these windows all have a way of putting a fly screen on?
You've got to slide them from the inside, so they'll pop up and then go into there, and then you'll have turn knobs. They used to go from the inside, the outside, but then burglars will come in and just rip them. Now they're designed to actually go in behind these channels, so you can't actually force it out.
That's the window from the outside, and Chris is about to put the flashings on. Did you guys request that colour, or did it come that colour?
Comes that colour. It's primer.
Okay, blends in anyway. Is that a pen?
Yeah.
That looks like a tool. Can I have a look?
That's the case and sharpener for it.
It's a pencil.
Yeah.
What?
No more chippy pencils.
I fell in love with the chippy pencils that Jessie gave me one, and now I want one of these. Got any spares? What are they called? I've never seen them.
Pencil from all like total tools, city tools, trader tools.
What? That is so cool. Check out Chris's $700 tool bag, guys. It's got everything. It's like Inspector Gadget. I just want to film the nails you got going on there. I just think that looks cool. This is magnetic,
yes.
yeah. I'm always dropping screws. Russell's here. Good, how are you?
Doing a 10-minute drive?
Yeah, you were hoping that Chris was finished by the time you got here.
I was. I should have sat on the corner or something.
Oh mate, I'll be there soon. Traffic still.
You probably went to get coffee. You
Yeah.
gone back to that.
Exactly
Went back to the
what
corner.
Oh yeah, I'm stuck in traffic.
Yeah. It does. It blends in, hey. Like it looks like it's been there a long time.
Yeah, I
Just
tried to-
everything
It
matches.
took me a while to try and match the colour for you, but I eventually found someone who did it.
Nah, you're done well. Even like the primer on the frame that Chris is putting in matches.
Yeah.
Like if I can't be bothered painting it, it doesn't
Exactly.
stand out.
That's what we're aiming for.
Yeah, no, it looks good. I'm happy. Oh, so now you're just going to pull that apart and cut it to
Pull
fit.
apart and cut this one to fit as well.
While Chris is working on that window, Russell is working on this window. Yeah, the smaller one looks way better. Glad
Yeah.
you just made that decision for me.
That's what we usually do.
Yeah, no.
We're smaller on the windows than the bigger ones.
Makes the room feel bigger too
Exactly.
when frames aren't so, yeah, right in your face. So the frames are going in now, guys. Chris is just measuring it up. Oh, looks like a good fit to me.
I'll try and get a nice little curve on that.
Yeah, that's interesting.
It's an interesting spot.
Because I thought you'd have to miter the corners, but that's cool. Did you just cut through the bucket? Yes.
Yep. I wasn't going to move.
Wow, you can cut straight though. When you said you had a tool to trim them things down, I was not expecting this.
Yeah.
I thought you were going to get a full-on workbench out and have a
do.
guide.
We usually have proper ones, but there's stuff in our bigger job at the moment.
Ah,
There's a lot of people in there today and we couldn't get in and get it all.
Ah.
So
but
we've got to be
that's
old school on some of our
but
things.
that's impressive. I cannot cut straight like that, especially just holding it on a bucket like that.
If I swear we do have proper tools.
Nah, that's skill. Oh, that's your stencil. have steady hands.
Yeah.
RGC Construction, guys, if you're in Brisbane.
That light's going off too quick.
Yeah, I guess these have just feel hot. Yeah, they're hot just a touch. Well, it's still better than what I could have done. I hate silicone work. I make a mess. Basin's going down. Ew. Got all the hanging out of the drain. That's gross. Let me pull that out before you put it back in. What is that? I don't even want to know.
Gunk. That's all.
Yeah, coming from me, obviously. Oh, it looks so good. Even unpainted, you know, it looks so much better than the painter's tape I had going on up there. Is that the same silicone as the outside one?
No, there's no more gaps.
Ah, my favourite gap filler.
No, we use a Sikaflex adhesive on the outside because it's paintable.
Yeah.
And then silicone for the bathroom on the tiles and everything else because it's non-paintable but it's resistant to mould.
Yeah.
And then no more gaps to cover up all the gaps.
Okay.
You spit on the hand?
As long as you're not licking it and eating it.
No. I've done that before.
Tastes gross, eh?
Yep.
This window is officially finished. The basin is officially stuck down as well. Russell is cleaning my window. Oh, you pulled the stickers off too?
Yeah. Bring it all up.
I pulled the outside one off, but I didn't think of the inside ones. Might as well clean my ceiling while you're there. So Russell just took the old window, the bit of plastic, and this dead lizard fell off. So I'm not sure how he died in there. He's got no insides, and his fingers are like skeletal. He's cleaning the outside as well
Part of the surface.
with my glass cleaner. But see, now that he's cleaned it, it doesn't blend in as much. It looks brand new. We were just saying that Russell's cleaned it so well it doesn't even look like it's got glass in it. Thanks, guys. You've done a good job.
No problem.
You have to wave to our viewers here.
Alright.
Anybody need builders in Brisbane? RGC Construction. It looks so good. Now all I have to do is just patch in the nail holes and fix up the wall, like patch the wall around the frame. Once that's dried, I can sand it back, paint it, and then yeah. I'm also going to look into how to fix in a fly screen, then get a remote control blind for it as well. I learned so much from them today. Lots of things I didn't even film. And with the bathroom window, only top and bottom part of the architraves is on at the moment because they couldn't get the right size quad from Bunnings today. They were out. So this window will get finished next week, but that's cool. It's still plenty of progress and those boys are so much fun. Yeah, it'll just be fun to have them back here again. And I'm going to end today's video here. I have been so excited for this day and I'm so excited to share you this update about the window. Thank you so much for following our journey. Thank you so much for all your love and support and everything. We'll see you in the next video. See ya. Eddie, you want to say goodbye? He's decided to come into the bathroom and lay right here as I film. You want to say goodbye to your fans, Eddie? Yeah. You got fans, Eddie. Don't be rude. Give him smoochies. Smoochies, smoochies. Good boy, Eddie.